नित्यानन्देश्वरसमारम्भाम् नित्यानन्देश्वरिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। I welcome all of you with my love and respects. I welcome all the disciples, devotees, Sarvanyapita Yajamans, Nitya Satsangis, Srimahans, Mahans, Kotaris, Tanedars, visitors, viewers, subscribers, YouTube subscribers, sitting with us through Nityananda TV, YouTube Live, two-way video conferencing, having Nayana Diksha all over the world. I welcome all of you with my love and blessings. I'll continue to give the sacred secret science of third eye. Understand, third eye as a capacity to make anything you want as reality. Listen to this very carefully. It has a capacity to make anything you want as reality. Whether the health of your body, love of your life, realization of your ambition, experiencing your completion, attaining your oneness, whatever. Third eye has the capacity to make whatever you want as reality. And please understand, one of the most sacred secret you need to know, if you go on rub the diamond with another on diamond, the diamond will get polished. Same way, if you go on rub your third eye with what you call as your consciousness, the third eye will be awakened. See, whatever you know is only your attention. Listen carefully. Your look only you call as personality. Your ability to give attention only you call it as your consciousness. You don't know anything else as consciousness. All you know about your consciousness is your ability to give attention. That is why when somebody gives you attention, you feel they love you. When they don't give attention, you feel they don't love you. But you need to know, attention is not love. Even though society believes attention is love, good or bad, attention is love. No, but that is not true. Listen. What you know about you stops with the level of attention. See, your idea about your consciousness itself is all about your ability to attend and perceive. That's it. That is why you think you are nothing more than giving attention and receiving attention. You are nothing more than giving attention and receiving attention. Your look is not your personality. Maybe it is one of the aspect of your personality. Your attention is not your consciousness. Maybe that is one of the aspect of your consciousness. So understand, if wife wants husband's attention, she has to just look sad and uncomfortable. If husband wants wife's attention, he just has to look comfortable and happy. Listen, after a long time, husband and wife one-liners. All the one-liners actually does not match for all, but most matches for most. Anyhow, listen to this. If you use a diamond to rub the diamond, both diamonds will be polished. If you use your attention to rub your third eye, whatever you know as your consciousness, if you use all of that and rub your third eye will be awakened. I tell you, when you don't know, either it is secret, unknown, or sacred, impossible. But if you know, it's a science. There are some fellows who think it is secret. They are afraid of it. Oh, for the sake of heaven, for God's sake, don't open. They think it is secret, unknown. We don't know. Why unnecessarily getting into it? Let's not touch it. There are some people who feel, oh, it is too sacred for me. For me it is not possible. Then why to encourage people? Say, it doesn't work, that is not that way. Talk something stupid, foolish, which neither people understand nor you can go on justifying it, confusing people. I tell you, it is fortunately sacred, unfortunately secret, but in reality science. In reality it is science. I tell you. Beautifully Ramana Maharshi says this one line, that is today's essence I wanted to share with you all. Manathin uruvai maravadu sava manam yena ondrilai undibara margam idame undibara. Manathin uruvai maravadu sava manam yena ondrilai undibara margam idarkum undibara. Means how your attention gets diverted into mind instead of being the consciousness. If you go on analyzing it, manathin uruvai maravadu sava manam yena ondrilai undibara markam idarkum undibara. If you analyze how your attention is getting diverted and diluted as mind, instead of becoming consciousness, you will suddenly see there is no such thing as mind, and you remain as consciousness. This is the way, method for everyone. This is the pure science. I'll give you exact applied science. Wash your face. Nicely apply turmeric on the whole forehead. Put a big kumkum, processed turmeric. The whole area which you think is third eye, in and around that area, nicely apply kumkum. Lie down with the head supported with a nice pillow. Lie down. All the techniques related to third eye, if you fall asleep, nothing wrong, don't worry. Understand? While you are practicing, all techniques related to third eye, if you are falling asleep, it is not wrong, because the power of third eye is such you can never fall asleep. You can only fall into, there is a state between dream and waking state. You can never fall asleep. That's a law of third eye. So apply the turmeric on the whole forehead, big kumkum, that whole third eye area, and please listen, please listen. Turmeric has the capacity to penetrate your skin and enter into your system. Kumkum is the processed turmeric. It has a capacity to penetrate your skin and enter into the system. Just put your awareness on the third eye region and see how the turmeric is getting penetrated and getting, what is the turmeric and kumkum is doing on your third eye. That's all. Very simple technique. 42 minutes. Fully apply the turmeric on the forehead. Put nicely the kumkum on the third eye region. Lie down for 42 minutes and observe what the turmeric and kumkum is doing inside in your third eye. It will actually penetrate your skin and just it will start activating the third eye. It will like sparkles, it will come on the third eye. I don't want to describe what will happen because you will start imagining that. You should not imagine, it should happen. All of you practice this tonight. Better to do in the night, because in the daytime people will get frightened if they see you with big turmeric and kumkum. They will think you become Kali or Kali temple priest. No. Do it in the night time, and better inform your spouse that you are going to have a special makeup and special facial for awakening third eye, so that it doesn't get frightened or it doesn't feel you have gone cranky, crazy. For some countries, it's evening now, you can practice immediately. For some countries, it is morning, so you practice before going to bed. 42 minutes. Just keep your awareness on the third eye, seeing what this kumkum and turmeric is doing to your third eye. You will see your attention will awaken the third eye from inside. This kumkum and turmeric will awaken the third eye from outside. So with this push and pull, your third eye will open. You will literally hear the sound flop. That's exactly the sound when the third eye opens. I still have, there is a dip. It was done by Arunagiri Ishwara. Actually, he held my hand, he held my head with one hand in the back side, and in the front he just put his thumb to initiate. Still the dip is there physically. When I put the vibhuti, I will feel every time the dip is there. So tonight, practice this. Attention inside, turmeric and kumkum outside. This both will just open the third eye. Practice this and come back tomorrow. I'll give you the next step to awaken your third eye, work on your third eye. Every day I'll go on be giving around 25 methods Sadashiva gives. I'll give you all the method. By the time your third eye will be ready fully to open up in Sadashivoham 2016. Manifest powers in Sadashivoham 2016. So with this, I bless you all. Let you all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing, living Shuddhadvaita Saivam, the eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you. Be blissful.